In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google map to your Wix website. This is a quick, practical way to help visitors find you, boost local trust, and make your contact or about page more useful. I'll walk you through each step inside the Wix editor so you can get your map looking clean, accurate, and mobile friendly. Start by opening your Wix editor. Log into your Wix account. Head to My Sites and select Edit Site on the website where you want to add the map. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll be working in the visual builder where all your page sections appear. Choose the page where the map should live. A contact page is most common, but it could also be your home page, an about page, or even a dedicated Visit Us section. Think about where your audience expects to find your location and what else they'll need nearby, like a contact form or hours. Now, add the map element. Click Add Elements, then go to Contact and Forms and select Maps. Drag the Google Maps element onto your page and drop it where you want it to appear. You'll see alignment guides to help you snap it into place for a tidy layout. Before we customize the look, set the correct address. Click the map, choose Change Location, and type in your business address. Make sure the pin updates to the exact spot. If your business is in a larger complex, double check the suite or entrance details so visitors land in the right place. If you're new to Wix or following along for the first time, there's a link to the website at the top of the description so you can jump right in and try this yourself. Next, adjust the map settings so it's easy to use. Tweak the zoom level to show just enough surrounding streets without zooming out too far. Pick a map type that suits your brand and enable or disable controls like zoom buttons or map dragging, depending on how interactive you want it to be. Resize and position the map so it's prominent but not overpowering. Keep enough white space around it, align it with your page grid, and consider placing it near your contact details for a natural flow. Switch to mobile view and make sure everything looks great on smaller screens. Increase the map's height if needed. Check that the pin is visible without extra scrolling, and confirm it's easy to tap and move around. Finally, hit Preview to test the map, then Publish to make it live. Visit your site on both desktop and mobile to confirm the location and controls work smoothly. If this guide helped your local business visibility, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching.